guys, I'm at the extreme, getting my bumpers installed over here. I'm with the Oscar.
So what's up, brother?
Yeah, he's
Getting your new bumper on.
What are we installing today?
We're doing the new ARB Stubby bumper.
All right.
With your winch and your solar lights. You know, swapping it out with the cool stuff. It's gonna look really nice. It's gonna give it definitely a different look on it. You know, so let's see.
Yeah, they actually installed my JL with the ARB stuff. It came out really nice, so I'm putting it back again. Here we go. Light is at the light spot. Finally, we're done, Oscar. Come on.